Are you tired of dealing with paper filters, capsule machines, or complicated coffee makers that take up half your kitchen counter? If you're a coffee lover seeking a convenient, affordable, and elegant solution, this Fiiho French press coffee tea maker is the product you've been searching for. This review will dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Fiiho French press. Let's find out why this product is becoming a favorite among coffee enthusiasts worldwide and why it might just be the perfect fit for your kitchen. The ultimate coffee experience. Why choose the Fiiho French press? The Fiiho French press coffee tea maker is a 21-aughts press crafted with precision, style, and practicality. It promises a hassle-free brewing process, giving you control over your coffee's flavor and strength. But why choose this French press over others? 1. Affordable price without compromising quality. One of the standout features of the Fiiho French press is its affordability. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy a high-quality coffee experience at home. Say goodbye to expensive capsules or constant spending on paper filters. The Fiiho French press saves you money in the long run, offering a one-time purchase that delivers exceptional results, cup after cup. 2. Multifunctionality. More than just a coffee maker. This isn't just a coffee maker, it's a multifunctional tool that can brew tea, hot chocolate, or even cold brew. Whether you're in the mood for a strong espresso-style coffee, a soothing herbal tea, or a rich hot chocolate, the Fiiho French press has you covered. It's truly a versatile addition to any kitchen. The design of the Fiiho French press is a perfect combination of form and function, featuring durable materials and user-friendly aspects. 1. Borosilicate glass from Germany. BPA-free and heat-resistant. At the heart of this French press is the German-imported borosilicate glass, which ensures that the coffee press withstands the high temperatures needed for brewing. This glass is not only durable but also BPA-free, ensuring you're not exposed to harmful chemicals often found in other materials. Borosilicate glass is also known for reducing noise, unlike traditional metal presses. This means you can enjoy a peaceful coffee-making process without the clinking sounds of metal on glass. 2. 304 stainless steel for durability and elegance. The stainless steel frame of the Fiiho French press is more than just an aesthetic feature. It provides stability and durability, ensuring that your French press will last for years. The stainless steel design also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen. 3. 4-layer filtration system. Say goodbye to residue. The Fiiho French press takes filtration to the next level with its 4-layer filtration system. The mesh size is 0.18 millimeters, which helps minimize residual coffee grounds, giving you a smooth, cream-rich cup of coffee every time. The double stainless steel mesh filters provide a 100% residue-free brew, so you'll never have to worry about unpleasant coffee grounds ruining your perfect cup. One of the major advantages of using a French press is the control it gives you over your brewing process. The Fiiho French press elevates this experience by incorporating features that allow for greater precision. 1. Exact scale line for accurate measurements. Whether you're brewing for one or making coffee for guests, the Fiiho French press has an exact scale line that allows you to prepare just the right amount of coffee or tea. No more guessing or wasting precious coffee grounds. This feature ensures you get the perfect brew every time. 2. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Who enjoys cleaning up after brewing coffee? With the Fiiho French press, cleanup is as simple as placing the components in the dishwasher. This feature makes it even more convenient for daily use, saving you time and effort. The Fiiho French press coffee maker isn't just a practical tool. It's also the perfect gift for coffee and tea lovers. Whether it's a housewarming party, a wedding gift, or just a thoughtful present for a friend, this French press makes an ideal choice. Its sleek design and superior functionality will impress anyone who appreciates a great cup of coffee or tea. Let's face it, traditional coffee makers are often bulky, expensive, and not very versatile. The Fiiho French press changes the game. If you're someone who values simplicity, elegance, and performance in your coffee brewing process, this French press is your go-to option. Imagine waking up every morning, not to the sound of a noisy machine, but to the peace and simplicity of brewing your coffee with a stylish, efficient French press. You get complete control over your coffee's strength, flavor, and aroma, and it's all done in minutes. Conclusion. The Fiiho French Press, your ultimate brewing companion. In conclusion, the Fiiho French Press Coffee Tea Maker is more than just a coffee maker, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its affordable price, superior build quality, and multifunctional design, it offers incredible value for money. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a casual drinker, this French press will elevate your brewing experience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a French press that provides cafe-quality coffee at home. It's time to make your mornings easier, your coffee better, and your kitchen more stylish.